What's up, guys? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, just a quick reminder, this kit is on sale till the end of the month. This is the Morgan 3-wheeler by Iceman Resins and designed by Ollie Vizzle, okay? And I think Ollie Vizzle's on Instagram. This is a limited edition Morgan, so it's only on sale to the end of the month. I just wanted to remind everybody that with the code CHUCK10, you get a discount. I think this kit's selling for $66, but I think with the discount it'll be cheaper than that. So real quick, I wanted to go through and show you guys what's in the kit and how it builds up, and an announcement. This is not the box art anymore. We made the box art. Check it out, guys. You guys can have one with mine on there. Mine that's built up on the box art, and like you guys can burn it, do whatever you want with the box art. Anyway, I'll show you what this thing builds up like. Builds up really nice if you take your time. It's got fingerprints and stuff on it because I've been holding it and stuff, but it builds up really nice. I like building this. I can't wait to build the other one. I'm sure this thing's going to do very well on a show, especially with some detail added to it. So let's take a look at what's in the box, and you guys can decide if you guys want one or not. So if you guys just aren't into it, click off the video. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's in the box. I'll go ahead and take everything out. I am going to build the second one because I enjoyed building this Morgan so much that I do want to build another one. So it's kind of like my genre, kind of stuff I like, motorcycles and cars, all in one. Of course, you get a sticker, and you get a business card with recommendations for prep. Okay, so if you need to read it, go ahead and just pause the video. We got the body here. The body here, it's pretty easy to do, the interior tub, okay? These little ridges here, they sand out really easy. I didn't use any filler when I did mine. I just sanded it. I think I started at 400, 600, 800, went to like 1500, and it sanded out pretty easy. They kind of look aggressive, but they're not. And it's in a flat spot where it's easy to do. The rest of it, it's pretty easy. This gets covered. I clean mine anyway. The engine goes over here. The bottom, I went ahead and detailed the bottom. I went ahead and sanded all the bottom of this. This one looks pretty good. And I know that I got one of the first prints that he did, so we'll discuss the tires and wheels in a second. Here's the interior tub. I went ahead and detailed the bars and everything different color. Some of this stuff gets hidden when you put it in, but you know, I went ahead and prepped it anyway and detailed mine, weathered it. So so we got that. Let me see. Here's the pipes, and he leaves them on these. I don't even know what they're called. They're kind of like a tree, but they're supports of some sort. So the grill, I went ahead and chromed mine and then weathered it like this. You can see I chromed it and then weathered it so it doesn't look like the rest of the chrome on there, like the rockers made heat to it. I just kind of experimented on this too. The one I did, these look pretty straight, but mine, they were a little warped on the first one. And when you run it under warm water, this stuff bends right back to normal. I mean, I ran it under warm water and then put it under cold, and it stayed right in place, nice and straight. So, or you can bend it to the shape of the body. I mean, if you wanted to do something like that, but yeah, it's pretty. This stuff is really easy to work with. I'm surprised how easy it is to work with. You got vacuum formed headlights and windshields. if you have parts bins, you can easily use different headlights like I did. I chose to use different headlights on mine, and it kind of makes the front end pop. So that's what I did with mine. I tried to stay box stock with just a couple things that I might like on there, because once the headlights are in, they're in, you know. So I would never be happy with it until I had it my way. So, and I do plan on putting plug wires and stuff on that. I just built it this way, box stock, just because everybody else was. Here's the V-twin. It's kind of like an S&S motor. I don't know if this is an S&S motor or Arden motor or whatever it might be, but it's got plenty of detail. It was easy to mask, and I was able to go ahead and do the L-clad and all that stuff on here. Just use real thin Tamiya masking tape. It's pretty easy. And I painted the insides of these chrome, but the outside's black, so kind of made it pop a little bit. Again, like that, you see, it looks, but it's nice and black on the other side. So, yeah, so it's got the fenders and everything on here. So disc brakes, caliper and rotor. Okay, what else do we got here? We got a little bag here with the back tail lights on there. So they actually just go right in this little hole back here, and they go right in. You don't have to really do much to them to get them in there. Kind of fit snug and kind of slide right in. So let's go ahead and empty this and not lose nothing. We got left hand and right hand drive. Get these little toggle switches and stuff on here. So whatever one you might choose to do. The wheel on the one I had took a little bit because it was a little loose. He redid the wheels and tires to where they fit nice and snug now. So you can see that it fits nice and snug. So no problem there anymore. I did one of the earlier ones, so yeah, it was kind of a little issue. Same with this, and they're nice and snug. It's got a couple little things on here. I don't want to just push it in here, so but you can see it's nice and snug. So, well, and I did push it in. And the tread pattern on these things looks pretty good. So there you go there. Let's take a look at the wheel a little bit better. A nice bead pattern on here. Prep's real easy. Nice and easy. I like the exhaust shields on these things. They look really cool. And you don't have to drill nothing. Everything just nice and easy. This nice and easy kit to put together. I enjoyed it. So also don't forget to subscribe to Iceman Collections newsletter so you get some deals and stuff whenever he has them. New products that come out. There's the back license plate. I haven't put a license plate on mine yet. You can see there. Front part of the exhaust. And if you guys want to fit, the exhaust on this kit were tricky to put in here, okay? So someone that I put, after I struggled to put them in because you get your fingers all over everything, after I struggled to get them in, I watched James' video, and James did a really, really good job putting tape on there to hold it in place to where it was easier. I struggled with it, and I think and one of the other guys did too. But here's the steering wheel. I like that. Looks like an old race steering wheel. The other exhaust. Looks like your air cleaner. Well, I know it is because I built it. Your foot pedals. My hands are dirty from work still, so bear with me. And there's your shield. Extra rear lights, which we don't need these because I already showed you the one in the bag. You get 2 different kinds of mirrors. See that? And you get these big, like Mickey Mouse ears, which I didn't use these. I like the small turbo looking mirrors. Here's your row bar, your head bar goes back here. You get 2 of those. Little teeny shifter here. I'll just stick it right here and I'll zoom in. You can see. Then you get your brake. And your emergency brake. Trying to get it to where it's a light spot on my finger so you can see it all. The gas cap, you flip it over. It's pretty cool. I did mine black, I think, yeah. And that's pretty much the kit. So just the other mirror and another mirror, which you already seen. So with that being said, it builds up to be a nice kit. So I enjoyed building it. I can't wait to build the other one because I have ideas that are just going through my head, and it'd be kind of cool to have a pair of these put up in my display shelf. But I've got some awesome videos coming out. I'm going to do a video about how I store my aftermarket parts. I got a pretty cool way to store them. I am doing that 29 Ford, which is looking pretty darn awesome. And I got all the chrome done, the paint done. I just wet sanded the clear coat on there. And tomorrow I'll probably buff it out. So, but that's coming along. And everything's kind of moving smooth. So anyway, so wait till my next vid and you'll see what's coming up. So I don't know why you watch this crap, but you do, and I appreciate it. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Buy one of these kits, guys. These things are awesome to build. You guys won't regret it. See you in your next video. Bye.